This How to 1 Minute will show you how to get unbanned from Omegle. The easiest way to get unbanned from Omegle is to change your IP address with the help of a VPN or a proxy, as the site blocks the IP address, not the user, when connected to a VPN server from a reliable provider such as NordVPN or Surfshark VPN. Your whole traffic will become encrypted and you will receive a fresh IP address. So all you have to need, just add a VPN extension to your server and click the VPN extension and connect. Once you connect it, reload your Omegle website. I've successfully get unbanned from Omegle. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.